Tasty Talk, an appetizing adventure into English snack recipes. Hello, food lovers and language learners. Today, we're going to dive into a delectable topic in our English learning journey: snacks and their recipes. So, if you have a passion for food and a hunger for learning new English words, this video is perfect for you. Firstly, let's understand what we mean by snacks. In English, snacks refer to small amounts of food eaten between meals. They can range from simple fruits, nuts, or chocolates to more complex dishes like sandwiches, pastries, or even sushi. The world of snacks is incredibly diverse, and each snack has its own unique recipe. Now, let's learn some basic snack vocabulary. Here are some common snack-related words you'll often encounter. Nibble, a small, quick bite of food. Bite-sized, small enough to be eaten in one bite. Crunchy, a word to describe food that makes a noise when you bite into it. For example, potato chips are crunchy. Munch, the action of eating something, especially noisily. Savory, food that is salty or spicy rather than sweet. Sweet, food that has a sugary taste. Don't forget to practice these words to familiarize yourself with them. In this section, let's look at a simple snack recipe and learn some words associated with cooking. We'll be making English scones, a traditional British snack. Here's the recipe. 1. Preheat the oven to 220 degrees Celsius, 425 degrees Fahrenheit. 2. Mix 3 cups of flour, 1/2 cup of sugar, 5 teaspoons of baking powder, and 1/2 teaspoon of salt in a large bowl. 3. Cut in 3/4 cup of butter until the mixture looks like coarse crumbs. 4. Stir in 1 cup of raisins or currants. 5. Beat 1 egg in a small bowl. Blend in 1 cup of milk. 6. Pour the wet ingredients into the dry ingredients and stir until the dough comes together. 7. Knead the dough lightly on a floured surface. 8. Cut out circles using a cookie cutter and place them on a baking sheet. 9. Bake for 12 to 15 minutes, until golden brown. Now, let's learn the key vocabulary in this recipe. Preheat, to heat an oven to a particular temperature before putting in the food. Mix, to combine 2 or more ingredients together. Cut in, to combine solid fat with dry ingredients until they are crumbly. Stir in, to mix an ingredient into a dish. Beat, to mix quickly and continually to make a smooth and light mixture. Blend in, to mix things together. Pour, to make a liquid flow from a container. Knead, to press and stretch dough with your hands. Cut out, to make a shape by cutting. Bake, to cook in an oven. So there you have it, our appetizing adventure into the world of English snack recipes. You've learned about what snacks are, discovered some snack-related vocabulary, and even explored a simple recipe. Remember, practice makes perfect, so try using these new words and phrases in your daily conversations. Hope this video helps you in your English learning journey. Until next time, happy learning and bon appétit!